How to fix can't turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix can't turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. So let's get started. To turn off stolen device protection, you will need to wait for security delay. Now, security delay is a security feature on your iPhone. So yeah, you will need to wait for it, especially if you're away from a familiar location. So first you can go to your settings, go to Face ID and passcode, type in your passcode, and after you do that, you can then tap on stolen device protection. So scroll down, there we go. Mine is turned off. Let's turn it on for now. And there you can see require security delay, this feature right here. So what this does is that in case that your phone is stolen, when it gets stolen and it's not in a familiar location, it will give that security delay. So that the person or whomever stole your phone cannot open up your phone. And yeah, it's a protection feature on your device. You can simply enable this for all the time or just for familiar locations. It's completely up to you. But yeah, you will need to turn it on. So yeah, there you can see security delay required to change stolen device protection. So I'll just cancel this for now. So what you'll now need to do is you can simply tap start security delay after you get that prompt and follow the prompts, which will include waiting for an hour and then re-authenticating. So yeah, I'm not going to wait for an hour, so I did not not tap on start. So after you've done that, you can then start with updating your iPhone to the latest iOS. So let's go to our general on our settings, go to software update, and if you see an update available, tap on update. After that, you can check the restrictions. Check if there are restrictions preventing you from simply trying to change your settings. So let's go here again. After you go to this section, what I recommend you guys to do is actually just wait for an hour to turn this off. So just wait for a few hours, just wait for some time and then turn it off. So after you wait for an hour, that is, as you can see this one right here, you will be able to use your iPhone. So just wait for the hour until the security delay lasts, and after the 1 hour finishes, you can come back here, you can go to stolen device protection and then turn it off. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.